Hey guys, it's Noah, and today we are unboxing the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange and the ESR Hybrid Magnetic Clear Case. It was a tough choice between silver and this insane Cosmic Orange, but I had to go bold, and honestly, this color is a flex. I literally have been waiting for this phone since mid-September, and getting this exact color and storage size was a full mission. Stores near me in Ontario had zero stock anywhere, but today we finally got it. Before we unbox it, I want to tell you the whole story because honestly, getting this phone took patience, strategy, and a little bit of luck. So back in mid-September, I started calling everywhere trying to get this Cosmic Orange 17 Pro Max. I even went on the Best Buy Canada website, filled out their form to be contacted regarding the phone and plan details, and nobody ever reached out to me. Not one call, not one email. I called the Rogers store to ask if they knew when they were going to get stock, and they honestly had no idea. No shipment info, no ETA, nothing. At this point, I knew I needed another option, so I reached out to Genclock, and that ended up being the best move I could have made. I placed a pre-order which locked the phone in for me and put down a $100 deposit. That $100 deposit then goes onto a gift card, and because this is Ontario, gift cards don't have tax, so full amount went directly toward my down payment. Then I added $306 cash to add to the down payment, and after that I traded in my old iPhone and got the $730 towards the new phone. So between the deposit and the extra $306 and my trade-in value, I saved a ton and finally secured the exact model and storage size I wanted after months of waiting. Now that you know the journey, let's finally unbox this beast. So first off, we are going to unbox this ESR Hybrid Magnetic Case. So what is good about this case is that it's got 3 times military grade protection. It's got full coverage for the camera bar protection, and it's got strong magnetic lock as well. I literally live by ESR cases. This is not sponsored, by the way. Nothing. The Jump Plus and ESR are not sponsored in this video. This is just because I, love the brand. So yes, ESR magnetic case in clear. So let's get opening. I already kind of opened it because, from before. Okay, like what the heck? I love this because the Apple Clear case has like that white thing on it and I don't like it. So this one, you guys, hello? Perfect. It's gonna look stunning. But yeah, this is the case. Absolutely love it. Now it's time to unbox the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Oh my god, you guys, I can't. Like, I'm sorry, but like this. Okay, like I haven't even opened the box. But do you see how beautiful it looks? Okay, no one can tell me different. Okay, let's get this open. Okay, I can't even see where to pull this. You guys, I always have a trouble with this. Okay, so it's just right here. You can't even see. Okay. One done. The other one. Oh my god, you guys, I cannot. Oh my god, you guys, it looks pretty. What the heck? I'm sorry, this looks amazing in person. What? Oh my god, I'm scared. Okay. What is happening? Look at how, oh my god, the lighting. Look at how pretty this looks. This is crazy business. What is this? Oh my god, this thing is massive. What the heck? This is insane. Okay, now we gotta take this out. Actually, we're gonna put this down. Okay, we're just gonna put it down right. Oh, what the heck? Okay, we're just gonna put this down right here. I don't know what the sound was. I think it was this, but anyways. Okay, we're gonna open this up. So you do get USB-C to USB-C cables. It is braided. Why couldn't this not be orange? Do not ask me. And one thing is you have a pamphlet that is literally just this. There is no other pamphlet. Like, remember you guys used to have like these iPhone pamphlets to tell you how to use your phone? I think that's kind of like now on here. It kind of tells you what the buttons are. And the camera action button, where is it? It's on this side. Oh my god, look at that. Pretty. Okay, let's take this out. We're gonna see if you guys can get ASMR. This is so pretty. What the heck? Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna turn this on. Like, look at how pretty this is. The promotion display is insane. Like, what is this? Like this, well, I know what it is, but you know what I mean? Like, what? Oh, this is crazy. This is insane. Okay, so let's swipe up. I can't see. We're gonna swipe up. We're gonna select English and Canada, obviously. We're gonna just do default. Okay, so we are going to set this up and I will be right back. So this year, Apple ditched titanium and went back to aluminum, and honestly, this was the right move. Aluminum is lighter and has better thermal conductivity and actually improves battery performance. Now, before anyone comes at me in the comments, built cheap, etc., the same people complaining are the same people who love to use lead pencil and write on the back of their iPhone 6s, which is the same material. Inside, there's a full vapor chamber cooling system that uses deionized water to pull heat away from the A19 Pro chip, helping maintain high performance even under heavy use. And durability is next level. Ceramic Shield 2 on the front and Ceramic Shield on the back, 3 times better scratch resistance and 4 times better crack resistance. This is easily the toughest iPhone Apple has ever made. Up front, we've got a massive 6.9-inch display, same size as last year's iPhone 16 Pro Max, but if you're upgrading from the 15 Pro Max or earlier, this thing is huge. Super thin bezels, super bright, and super immersive. Now, here's where the 17 Pro Max absolutely destroys the 15 Pro Max. All 3 rear lenses are 48 megapixels and you get 8 times optical quality zoom, and the camera control button is back. And once you use it, you'll never go back to tapping the screen. But the upgrades, the video features, hello, Dolby Vision 4K at 120 frames per second. The 15 Pro Max was capped at 4K 60 frames per second. This doubles your slow motion cinematic power. ProRes RAW recording. The 15 Pro Max couldn't even shoot RAW video at all. This is a huge creator upgrade. Genclock support lets you sync multiple cameras for perfectly matched multicam shoots. Hello, unreal. Spatial audio recording. The 15 Pro Max only had stereo. You get studio quality for microarray, wind noise reduction. This phone is literally a full filmmaking studio in your pocket. New A19 Pro chip brings 20% faster CPU, 50% faster GPU. Battery life is insane also, with up to 39 hours of video playback, which is 4 more hours than the 15 Pro Max. And yes, still 50% charge in 20 minutes. So a lot of you guys asked about plans, so here's what I'm paying. I switched from Rogers to Fido. Rogers' lowest plan was $60 per month, and they weren't offering anything competitive. Fido also had an exclusive plan for me at $58 per month, and after adding the iPhone financing, including my down payment, the gift card amount, and the $730 trade-in, I'm now paying $108 per month. Total, taxes included. Funny enough, in 2023, I was paying $112 per month for 256 gigabytes. So even with more data and more storage, I am paying a lot less as I got the 17 Pro Max and 512 gigabytes. Yes, Fido does cap you at 3 voicemails and LTE speeds up to 150 Mbps, but here's the crazy part. The speed difference is almost nothing. Like, we are comparing Rogers because Rogers does on Fido. Rogers' LTE is 67.7 down and 4.42 up. Rogers 5G is 71.6 down and 3.36 up. Like, that's almost identical. Honestly, 5G has seemed slower, so I'll say it. 5G does feel like a scam. LTE is more than enough. That's why I don't regret switching. Also, for my Canadian viewers, the iPhone 17 Pro lineup is now eSIM only. There is no physical SIM tray, which means you do get a bigger battery. So that's the 17 Pro Max and 512 gigabytes in Cosmic Orange. New design, lighter build, more durable, insane power, longer battery life, and for the influencers and creators out there, this is the upgrade we have been waiting for. ProRes RAW, 4K, 120 frames per second, Dolby Vision, Spatial audio, Genclock, and a studio mic system built right in. Apple really went all in this year, and this feels like the biggest leap since the iPhone 11. I also want to give a quick shout out to Nathan and his whole team at Jump Plus and Barry for making this pickup possible. Their professionalism and customer care is honestly next level. Special shout outs to MK, Afi, Deandra, and Fatima. You guys are absolute powerhouses. Every single person I interacted with was amazing, and their customer service was top tier from start to finish. If you're in the area, make sure you guys go out and check out Jump Plus in Barrie. You will not be disappointed. So that is it for the unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure that you guys go like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I post a brand new video. Also, make sure you're following me on all my other socials. My link tree is in the description down below as well. Continue to spread positivity, and I will see you all in the next one.